She's at this stage where all she wants to do is pray, focus, manifest, and hustle. So she's releasing negative energy and welcoming peace. She's no longer easily accessible. She's in her own lane. And there's no speed limit or traffic to slow her down.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the family. Happy Sunday to you guys. It's football game day. Y'all know how we do over here. So I just had to go run to the store early this morning. I got another thing of water, some potatoes, because I'm about to make some homemade smashed potatoes, as Philip called them. I got 2 boxes of cake mix, the French vanilla and the buttercorn, because I'm going to mix them, because I will just be making a cake. I've been wanting me a cake. And I got the buttercream icing, 2 sticks of butter, some Baker's Joy, some cream grape juice, some tea, apple juice for the little one, and some Coke. Oh, and I got a big thing of cooking oil. It's down there on the floor because Jordan is frying some chicken. And like I said, I'm doing the mashed potatoes. He done made some Kool-Aid. I know I'm going through this quick because we trying to kind of hurry it up because it's game day. We want to be sitting down eating by game day. So he's doing thighs. I'm just showing you stuff. Get away. You get away. So we're doing thighs and legs. I'm about to make these cinnamon rolls because my little one been begging me for some cinnamon rolls. So I'm going to make these. And then I'm going to get started on the rest of my stuff. And I'm also doing some smothered corn. I went to the ice house and got some ice. I put some in our machine already. And the rest of the ice I got here in our deep freezer. So game day, y'all know how I be. My daughter Riante bought these potatoes yesterday, but I had asked her for the golden yellow potatoes and the yellow potatoes. But she just had picked these up, and that's fine because we still gonna use these for fries and other stuff. But so y'all let me know who y'all are going for today. If y'all know me, then y'all know Saints all the way, and then of course Green Bay playing. So I'm going to be Green Bay. I'm going to be Green Bay ready for tonight. I'll see y'all later. So until next time, y'all stay blessed, stay safe. Enjoy the rest of y'all weekend with y'all family. And I'll see y'all later. Bye.
East Coast always in me. Commonwealth, Lil Joe, getting love from my city. Yeah, I roll call for the DM.